ॐ नमो भगवते वासुदेवाय। श्लोका 19। वैष्णवाश्च विराक्ताश्च न्यासिनो ब्रह्मचारिणः मुखभागे स्थितास्ते च तदग्रे नारदस्थितः। वैष्णवाश्च विरक्ताश्च. Vaishnava means the devotees of Lord Vishnu. Viraktascha, those who have renounced the world. Nyasino brahmacharinaha. Nyasino means the sannyasis. Brahmacharina means the celibates. Mukha bhage stitaste. Mukha bhage means those who were the devotees of Lord Vishnu and who has renounced the world. Sannyasis and celibates were seated in front of the stitaste. Stitaste means they were seated in the front of the listeners, of the audience. Cha tadagre naradasthidaha. Cha with tadagre. The chief member of the audience is the Narada. Narada Muni sthidaha. Occupied. Means the Narada Muni was seated in the front-most place of the audience. That is the first preference is Narada Muni. वैष्णवाश्च विरक्ताश्च न्यासिनो ब्रह्मचारिणः मुखभागे स्थितास्तेच्च तदग्रे नारदस्थितः. The devotees of Lord Vishnu, those who renounce the world, the sannyasis, who recluses, the celibates, were seated in front of all the listeners, with Narada Muni being the convener or the chief member of the audience, occupied the first or the frontmost seat of the audience. वैष्णवाश्च विरक्ताश्च न्यासिनो ब्रह्मचारिणः मुखभागे स्थितास्ते च तदग्रे नारदस्थितः। ॐ नमो भगवते वासुदेवाय. Thank you.